What's up, flockers? How y'all doing? Welcome back to another video. So good morning, and I was up making my eggs this morning, my hard-boiled eggs. I make some usually every day, and I'm at my kitchen sink here, and let me show you. See, making my hard-boiled eggs, and look at, there's Miss Kitty. I was just outside playing with her, came in, I guess she was not done, she wanted to play some more. Say good morning, Miss Kitty. Good morning. Look at her yellow eyes. And this is how she sits in our windowsill. But guys, yeah, this is what happens. We have pretty much adopted a cat, I guess. Like, she's an outdoor cat, so we don't let her in. But and that's what the previous owner told us. She's been roaming around our house, and this is how she sits on all my windowsills. This is what she does. She was just outside playing with me. I think she's ready to get down. No, she's sunbathing there. But yeah, so we don't let her in. She's an outdoor cat. But this is how she comes to our windows when we have the AC off. She'll come and sit in our windows and meow. But there she is. That's Miss Kitty. This is what she does. I know she wants in, but we just can't have her here because we rent, and our landlord won't allow cats. So, good morning to us. There she goes. Anyway, guys, today's going to be a beach day. We're going to go hit up the beach, relax. It's like 8:30 in the morning. Are you ready? We're going to go get some stuff, some snacks to take to the beach. So, if you're interested, keep watching. We're in the car. We are on the way to Honeymoon Island, which is in Dunedin, Florida. So we're gonna go check out this beach this morning. I do know that it costs $8 to park on Honeymoon Island. And then if you want to, there's a ferry that can take you from Honeymoon Island to Caladesi Island, and that's $12. So we're not gonna do that today. We've done that in the past. We're just not gonna do it today, maybe another day. But we are gonna go to Honeymoon Island, and let's see how packed this is. It is 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's probably packed already. The causeway is probably jam-packed, but let's hope not, that we can get down there without having to sit in a bunch of traffic. We're first going to stop at Dollar General, and we're going to get just some snacks and drinks and whatnot just to have out there for the day. We brought our umbrella, our anchor. My brother, my sister-in-law are coming. They're bringing the chairs, and we're ready to have a beach day. So keep watching so we can check out Honeymoon Island. Maybe we'll find some shells. Didn't we find big shells here last time?
On the boat, yeah.
I can't remember if we found shells here last time or not. It's been a good year since we've been out to Honeymoon Island, so we'll see. Keep watching. Oh, it looks so beautiful, you guys. This is so pretty. I love this place. And they got all the blue umbrellas. No, this is a new ramp. You can tell the construction is pretty new. This wasn't here last time we were here, which is good because it was hard to get up and down through here. These benches, you can sit right here.
Even those umbrellas and chairs, you can rent them.
Yeah, you can rent the blue umbrellas and chairs now. They didn't have that, I don't think, before. No, they did not. Last time we were down here?
Yeah.
So you're going down the ramp? Okay, let's do this. And the water looks so pretty today, doesn't it, Ray? How green it looks. Caught a fish. It's a little one, but he caught one. It is beautiful out here today, you guys. It's windy. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's so beautiful. Oh wait, that's not even a fish. That was a stingray, I think. Yeah, it looked like a stingray. Right. Baby stingray. We have our umbrella. We have our anchor. Husband's gonna have to screw that into the ground. That's why I got him. He's the muscle. Of course, the wet sand is better to screw that down in there. It's pretty windy out here today too, so then we brought our umbrella. We went and got snacks. Ray got some chips and stuff, and I got my keto snacks in there. I got some Slim Jims, some sunflower seeds, some pork skins, and then we brought our little speaker. We have a Bluetooth speaker that husband uses so we can listen to music, and then I brought the thermal tote. We got some ice in there with some Powerades and some hard-boiled eggs. Oh, this is my towel, y'all. Let me lay it out. It's a beautiful day. Look at my flamingo towel. What's up, flockers? All right, I'm about to go put my feet in. It's gonna be cold as bleepity bleep, but look how beautiful. It's not. I don't know if the video is doing this water any justice, but wow. It is beautiful through here. So green and like bluish. That's clear water over that way. Whoa, let's see what he caught. He caught something else. What is it? Oh, we got another fish.
Bigger than the other one.
Yeah, that's a baby shark.
It's a hammerhead shark.
That is a baby hammerhead shark that y'all you caught.
Yeah, it's a hammerhead shark.
Oh my gosh. I want to go over there.
Everybody's going over there.
That's a hammerhead, right?
Yeah, it's a bonnet head.
What is it?
It's called a bonnet head.
Oh.
Let it go.
Yeah, catch and release. That's cool. That's cool
They're
though.
actually really good eating.
Really?
Yeah.
It's a little close to the shore. Where you going?
There's a lot of them swimming out there. You can see them all
Is it
over.
really?
Right there.
Oh, he's over there.
He's swimming.
Uh-oh.
Go, someone get him. I'm gonna go get him.
Oh, he's going slowly. Well, no, maybe not.
No, no, Joey.
Oh, there he goes.
As long as you got a tank on it.
Right.
Go, baby, go. Go, go, go.
Go.
He's got this. He's got this. There he goes. Cool. Not every day you see a shark catch.
Nope.
That's cool.
There's a lot of them out there, I'll tell you that.
Oh, he's a little confused though. Oh, go back
Here
here.
now.
Oh, he's over there. Okay.
Yeah, if you look in there, you can see, I mean, you gotta look a little bit out, but you can see
Right.
them cruising in there. There's a bunch of them.
Little ones like that?
Bigger than that one, actually.
Really?
Yeah, there's-
How old do you think that one was?
well, those only get to be about 4 feet long.
Oh, okay.
Yep. But I saw a couple that were at least 3.5 feet.
Oh, wow. Thumbnail. What's up, y'all? It's 3 hours later. We are still at this beach. This place is packed. There are a ton of people here right now. They're everywhere. All down that way. All down that way. There's people everywhere. There's blue umbrellas. You can rent the chairs and the umbrellas here. I don't know how much they are, but you can rent them. It's super windy, so I don't even know if you can hear me. But this has been a nice, relaxing, like chill day. Husband's right here. He's off of work. Say hi.
Hello.
He's off work. It's his weekend off, so that's why we're at the beach. This is just a beautiful day. I don't know if this footage does this beach any justice, but this water is like aqua blue green. It's beautiful. It's a bit choppy because of the winds today, but this is amazing. This is Florida life, y'all. Salt life. We love it. I'm sitting out here getting tan, and it's just amazing out here. So if you like this video and you want me to do more of the beaches and whatnot in my area, then leave a comment down below. Let me know. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really does help me out. We are going to get ready to go. We're going to go probably have some lunch somewhere. And until next time, guys, stay tuned to see where we go next. Bye. If you do not get here early enough, this is what happens. The line of traffic, and we're coming up on the bridge on the causeway, and still traffic. So like I said, you got to get here early. That view, and there's beach down there also, but look at this. You can just see the traffic backed up for miles. This down here, parking like over here, is free parking, I believe. Right, babe? Yeah, right? Yeah, that's free parking. We parked there on the 4th of July. We did not have to pay. They have the parking on either side. But, yeah. Look at this traffic. It's barely moving to get in here. Thank goodness. That's why we got here at what time? 10:30 this morning, and it's 2 o'clock now. So that's why we did this early. Anything you want to do around here, if you want a beach day, you need to do it early, because traffic. Here, there is a like biking trail and a walk trail path that you can walk over the causeway and into the park. Still pretty windy. This is the traffic still getting out of here. There's a few breaks, but he's just because he's trying to turn in, he's holding up traffic. It's a beautiful area, guys. This is called Honeymoon Island in Dunedin, Florida. Traffic still. This is, oh, the drawbridge is up, babe. Those kind of freak me out a little bit, I can't lie, but there must be a boat going under, so we're gonna have to stop because of the drawbridge. It's up over there. You can see it over here in the distance, right there. It's the drawbridge. It's up. So we're stopped now. Some jet skis. See how they do the hammock? Look at him just chilling between the trees in his hammock. This is how people park. Look at that jet skis cruising. And they launch right here. I think they can launch their jet skis and stuff right here. I'm not exactly sure about that though. Their bridge is still up, but I don't see. Maybe the boat went.
It's going down.
Huh?
It's going down.
Oh yeah, it's going down now. This is a beautiful area, guys. If you come to Florida and if you're in Pinellas County, check this out. This is a must-see. It's beautiful.